Okay, so we have another amazing trade, guys, on pound yen. If you look at the pound yen, we were looking this breakout. As you can see, this is a 1 hour chart. We were looking this breakout. Price nicely broke on a beautiful long trade. Even by, I believe that we had some counter short trade, but mainly we were looking for long. Let me share with you guys how we analyze each and every single entry and help our trader to squeeze amazing profit, guys, on pound yen. So hello, trader. Today is the 3rd of December 2025. What a blessing day, guys. Amazing analysis and amazing trade. Let me share with you guys how we help our traders through live intraday analysis. Let's look at the analysis. All right. So if you look at the pound dollar, just before that, let's look at the news today. We had a four high impact news. One is Aussie. The GDP quarter by quarter was expected 0.7% versus 0.7. The data came out 0.4%, which is slightly negative, but still we have seen Aussie strong against the dollar. Swiss franc, we had a CPI month by month, was expected minus 0.1 versus minus 0.3. Actual data is came out minus 0.2%, which is negative based on the forecast, but actually is a positive based on the previous. So we have seen strength on Swiss franc against the dollar. 1:15 p.m. London time, we have a for high impact news for dollar. ADP non-farm employment change was expected 5k versus 47k. Actual came out minus 32k versus 5k, and which is way negative. We have seen another push, all the major against the dollar at the New York session. Later on 3 p.m. we had ISM services PMI expected 52.0. Actual came out 52.6, which is positive, but we haven't seen significant move based on this news. Let's look at the technical analysis point of view, how we did. And if you're following my YouTube analysis, yesterday we also had the short trade here and later on long. And pretty straightforward, as mentioned to my trader, we were looking for long based on this impulsive and correction, but we need a valid technical entry. So if you look at the price action here, one second time rejected, and look at this candlestick. This is the bullish engulfing candle, and look at this candlestick. Price came back and retest, give us the high probability and confirmation for long. So we've been taking a long since in the morning, and beautiful long trade. And let me share with you guys how we analyze the entries. Pretty straightforward. We had this beautiful based on this analysis. We have a nice beautiful long trade hit to the profit target, squeeze amazing profit this was, and then we had it another one, which is this one. Pretty straightforward pullback, amazing long trade here. This was the another, you can see here in 7:30 London time, explaining any pullback would consider high probability trade. You can see here the price developed pullback, hit to the profit target, squeeze amazing profit. And then we also had another beautiful pullback, which is pretty standard. As mentioned, we are looking towards the momentum and trend. We're looking for another pullback, hit to the profit target, amazing long trade on pound dollar. All right, so if you look at the euro USD, more or less the same. We had the same pattern. We were expecting some around pushback, or we have were expecting one, this one for the short, otherwise pullback. So if you look at here, the candlestick pattern give us all that information. You can see here one, two, three, four time rejection here. And if you look at this candle, we have bullish engulfing candle. Price came back and retest, give us the confirmation. We had this breakout long trade here. After that, as mentioned, keep taking a pullback. So let me share with you guys the analysis intraday. Pretty straightforward based on this analysis. We have this result, hit to the profit target, squeeze amazing profit. And afterwards, we'll explain, look for another pullback, which we did. As you can see here, based on this analysis, we have another beautiful pullback long on Euro USD. What a beautiful trade, guys, on Euro USD. Okay, so we have another amazing trade, guys, on pound yen. If you look at the pound yen, we were looking this breakout. As you can see, this is a 1 hour chart. We were looking this breakout. Price nicely broke on a beautiful long trade. Even by, I believe that we had some counter short trade, but mainly we were looking for long. Let me share with you guys how we analyze each and every single entry and help our trader to squeeze amazing profit, guys, on pound yen. So if you look at this was the first analysis, pretty straightforward. As mentioned to our trader, look for pullback. Based on that, around 200 EMA, as you can see here, 200 EMA, one pullback, second pullback, third pullback, fourth pullback, pullback, pullback. As soon as the price hit to retest the previous high, this is what we explain our traders time to bank some profit. That was a beautiful long trade on pound yen. Then we did another analysis, which is a pretty straightforward breakout and long trade here. Then we did another analysis, which is another beautiful breakout trade here. You can see here, as soon as the price impulsive reaction came out, as explained, look for this breakout. So you can see here the price refused, and based on this analysis, price nicely broke on and even develop another pullback as soon as the price hit. This is the area which we explained. Even if you look at 4 hour, price nicely respected, and this always suggested our traders time to bank some profit. So that was a beautiful long trade on pound yen. Okay. So we had another beautiful, amazing trades on gold. Let me share with you guys. Gold. Give us a beautiful. This morning we had a short, then long here. Let me share with you guys. You can see how many analysis we had it. So let me share with you the analysis of gold. So pretty straightforward. We have this beautiful breakout short trade here this morning. You can see here price nicely broken, beautiful squeeze, amazing profit. After banking some profit, we did another analysis. You can see here price came back here, and intraday we have this beautiful breakout, give us the confirmation, continuation, and afterwards basically we've been taking a long trade here. You can see we had another beautiful, after banking some profit, as explained in the New York session, look for another pullback, amazing pullback, a long trade here, squeeze amazing profit. And then we also had another beautiful long trade here. You can see here previously we had this breakout, we have pullback, then we were looking for this breakout. As you can see here, price nicely broken, beautiful, another pullback, second pullback, hit to the profit target and squeeze amazing profit, guys, on gold. So then we had another long trade here. Let me show you guys, this is another beautiful pullback, pretty straightforward. As you can see here, guys, sorry, as you can see here, the price nicely developed a pullback. Based on this analysis, price came back, one pullback, second pullback, hit to the profit target, squeeze amazing profit, guys, on gold. So we have another beautiful breakout, pretty standard and straightforward. You can see amazing. As soon as the price hit to the previous high, this is what we suggest our traders time to bank some profit. So you can see, guys, we had amazing long trade on gold, and most of the traders really enjoyed it. All right, guys, I hope you enjoy this analysis. But if you want to see those analyses in real time with a live audio commentary support, most welcome. Join our fast going trader community. And thank you for watching this video, guys. Have a nice day. Until next time, all the best.